Today we are going to see about the encoding method in Python. Okay, so we are going to be use lot of encoding methods is here. Okay, some methods only we are going to be find out now. Okay, so that is a one hot encoding and label encoding and frequency encoding and target encoding. Okay, using food data set. In the food data set we are going to be use those all the encoding method and how the data is going to be analyzed. Okay, let us see. So I'm going to import my basic need of package pandas and numpy, and then this is the important for encoding data. Okay, so this is the encoding concept package file. Okay, so I'm going to import here, and then I'm going to upload my file. Okay, so here we are going to be upload our file, or we can create a data set. Simply I can create here the data set as a food items name as well as the rating and then sales count. So this is the simple data set we created here. After that we are going to be encode those all the things. Okay, so we can use just going to be show the first head of the data. Okay, so here you can check we are having the food items names and then rating column and then sales count column. Okay, now we are going to enter our first encoding method is a label encoding. So we are going to be give the labels for this encoding method. Okay, so we are going to be use only one line of coding to encode this data. Okay, so in the for the label of this items is we are going to be mention the food items. Okay, in the food items we are going to be give the label. For example, I am going to order the food is pizza, means I am not going to be type this name. Okay, so I can going to enter the 3 means it's going to be labeled. Okay, so the 3 item means we can directly go into the pizza. Okay, so is the one kind of encoding label encoding method. So burger means 0 and pasta means 2 and sushi means 5. So those are all the data items encoding method. Okay, so this is the label encoder method. Okay, and then one hot encoding. So here we are going to be use the items, it's a get is true or false, is there or not, that's all. Okay, so we have to use all the items. Okay, see here you can see the food item burger and fries is there or not, and pasta is there or not, and pizza is there or not. So those all the things information is shown here, is there or not, true or false we are mentioning here. So this is the another one type of encoding method. After that, frequency encoding. Here we are going to be add some of the sales count method. So here we are using the one column we are going to be added here. After that we want to display the total sales count here. Okay, so total sales count also displayed it, and frequency is going to be displayed here. Okay, so here is a table is there and rating, and then frequency encoded is also added, this column also added here, you can see. After that, target encoding is going to be mapping the rating to food items. What are the food items we have? Pizza, burger, those all the things is going to be giving the mapping rating. So here you can see the 2 line of coding is there. After that we going to be make one new column. Here you can see is a target encoding. After that it gives the mapping rating. Okay, so you can see the before that label encoded we added, and then frequency encoded added. after the target encoding. Okay, so here we are created the another one with the encoding method. After that, we want to display all the result, means you can make this coding like this: print label encoding, print on hot encoding, print frequency encoding, print target encoding. That's all. It will shows all the values. What are the values is there, means it will shows you. That's all for the encoding method in Python.